Presenting Popsugar Off-Roader Remote Control Monster Truck. The available styles are Jeep, Hummer, and Ford. The available colors are orange, red, and black, black and silver, blue and black, green, blue, grey, red, yellow, beige, black matte, grey matte, maroon, and sky blue. Made with precision by locally trained skilled men and women and weighs about 500 grams. This comes with a 2.4 GHz remote which range over 75 feet. Featured with two different speeds as normal and turbo with 60 minutes running time. This is made with plastic materials, BIS certified, off-roading tire and smooth suspension. It comes with inbuilt lithium battery which is rechargeable with Type-C cable. The box includes remote and charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.